Hi guys, this is Topper Chef and this is Topper Chef Tip Tuesday. As you know, eggs are a versatile, incredible food. And you know that old ad which said incredible edible egg, and that's what an egg is. Everything. You can make an omelet with an egg and require eggs to make icing. You require eggs to make what do you call you require eggs to make also cakes and breads and everything because it's an emulsifying agent. In mayonnaise, one egg yolk can have all this oil incorporated in it. Can you imagine what it is? It can take so much of this oil and beat in at this vigorous pressure, and it can absorb all that oil. Okay, so when you're making an omelet, what you need to do is take your amount of eggs and you have to vigorously beat it. Now, some people say you can add milk to it to get the volume. All I've learned is, in my experience of cookery, is to vigorously beat the egg and foam it up a bit for a fluffier omelet. Now, always put your salt and your pepper in this. In Indian omelets, we always add also little bit of turmeric in this because that makes the omelet yellow. So I would recommend that instead of cooking it and overcooking your vegetables and all that stuff. It's better to just put it in the egg, the spices in the eggs, and have an incredible omelet. Okay, so now we're gonna make some omelet. So I put my salt and this pepper, and always put little turmeric because it's going to be a southwest and an Indian omelet. Whenever you're putting this, put a little bit, not too much, because then you can't mix this, and vigorously beat it up properly. Here we go. Okay. Just incorporate it and then beat it up well, and you'll see the difference of your omelet. That's my topper tip for today. Happy cooking!